Have you ever wondered why New York City is often referred to as the city that never sleeps? Well, buckle up as we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of the Big Apple, from the break of dawn till the stroke of midnight, experiencing the city's relentless energy and vibrant charm. As the first fingers of light creep over the horizon, New York City stirs to life. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts from countless cafes, mingling with the scent of fresh bagels and iconic New York breakfast. The city's heartbeat quickens as locals and tourists alike start their day, each adding to the vibrant tapestry of life in this urban jungle. By mid-morning, the city is in full swing. The hum of chatter fills the air, punctuated by the symphony of honking taxis, the rhythmic clatter of subway trains, and the occasional street performer's melody. The city's pulse is palpable, a rhythm that drives the stories of 8 million people and counting. As the sun reaches its zenith, New York City transforms into a bustling stage for the world's most eclectic lunch scene. From the sizzling hot dogs of street vendors to the sophisticated cuisine of Michelin-starred restaurants, the city presents a smorgasbord of flavors that cater to every palate. Afternoon in New York City is a time for exploration. The city's many faces reveal themselves, from the tranquil oasis of Central Park to the awe-inspiring architecture of the Empire State Building, to the vibrant murals of the Brooklyn street art scene. Each corner turned unveils a new chapter of the city's rich history and culture. As daylight begins to fade, the city takes on a new persona. Office lights flicker off, replaced by the neon glow of Times Square, the twinkling skyline, and the warm, inviting lights of Broadway. The city's nightlife awakens, pulsating with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses, a testament to New York's reputation as a city of celebration. Finally, as midnight approaches, New York City slows down, but it never truly rests. The city under the stars is a sight to behold, with the skyline glittering against the velvet night, a silent symphony in honor of the city that never sleeps. To sum up, New York City is a city of contrasts and constant motion, a place where every hour brings a new spectacle, a new flavor, a new rhythm. From the early morning rush to the late-night tranquility, the city's energy is infectious, its charm undeniable. Whether you're a foodie, a culture vulture, a history buff, or simply someone seeking adventure, New York City promises an experience that's as diverse and dynamic as the city itself. If you ever find yourself wondering why New York City is the city that never sleeps, remember, it's because there's just too much to see, do, and experience in this vibrant metropolis.